Mr. Decker-Margosian, Ms. Teskey kind of jumped in right as you were going to the breakout room. On his new felony, he's being screened for drug court, just so you know.
Okay. It would still be under HIDA.
Hold on, Mr. Knoblaw, I'm gonna send you a request to unmute your device, and you may need to tell someone they need to unmute it and start your video.
Got it. You should be. Can you hear me?
All right. Yeah, thank you.
You're welcome. Here we go. Yep.
All right, so Mr. Decker-Margosian, have you had ample time to review the probation sentencing recommendation?
Yes, Judge.
Well, I have jury instructions, so now I need to find my scripts. Hold on. Same black binder, wrong thing. All right, so Mr. Knoblaw, have you had a chance to speak with your attorney?
Yes.
When you and your attorney were going into the breakout room, Ms. Teskey from the Michigan Department of Corrections spoke up and stated that you are currently being screened for drug court on your new felony that you're being sentenced down on March. Do you understand that?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and Mr. Knoblaw, are you satisfied with Mr. Decker-Margosian as your attorney and the advice that he's given you?
So what? I'm sorry.
I'm sorry. Are you satisfied with your attorney and the advice he has given you?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Miss Adams, could you call the jail and tell them I need David Sabino next?
Okay.
All right. Mr. Decker-Margosian, do you wish to explain or challenge the accuracy or relevancy of any of the information in the probation violation report?
No, Your Honor.
All right, before the court passes sentence, is there anything you'd like to say on behalf of your client?
Your Honor, I just asked the court to revoke and terminate this matter for Mr. Knobloch. He, as the PSI indicates, he's being sentenced 1st of March. We had reached an agreement that that would be under HIDA, so he's going to go back on probation. Really, the only issue here was just non-payment, the full non-payment. He did make some payment, just not the full. So I would just ask the court, in light of all that, to just terminate this probation and move forward with sentencing on the 1st.
Okay. Mr. Knobloch, anything you'd like to say on your own behalf?
No.
All right. Okay. Well, it is a sentence of court that your probation will be revoked and terminated. I think that the $290 he paid would cover his crime victim rights fee and state costs. So I won't order that to continue. And Mr. Knobloch, we will send over to you your notice of right to appellate review, and they'll have you sign one copy for our records that you received it. The other two are for you. And if you wish to appeal your sentence, you would fill out the information on the form and mail it to the address on the form within 42 days. And I think you're being screened this week or so. So I look forward to hopefully seeing you in drug court. All right.
Okay, man. Thank you.
Yep. You have a good day, Mr. Knobloch. Can you tell them I need to see Mr. Sabino next?
Sabino?
Sabino. Yep. Thank you. All right. So anybody in the courtroom have Michael Decker-Margosian as an attorney? No? No? Okay. The gentleman in the back, what is your last name?
Yeah.
Say it again.
Yeah.
Spell it.
D-E-C-K.
Okay. All right. So, Mr. Deck, in the matter of the people of the state of Michigan versus Donald Arthur Deck III, file number 24-21697FH. Miss Adams, did you already set a pretrial date for Mr. Deck?
I have not yet. No.
All right, do you think we could do that so I can serve him with a notice because he's here? Why don't you come on up to the podium? So Mr. Deck, your attorney had you sign a waiver of arraignment form, which means you didn't have to come today. Okay, so we are going to get you a notice of hearing for your next pretrial, Becky. Probably about 60 days would be good, and then that's your next court date. But make sure you keep in contact with Mr. Murphy to talk about your case before you come to court. Okay, so I have a seat on the bench behind you, and then my staff will bring you a notice of hearing. Okay. All right. And are either of you a defendant or just here to watch?
Right.
Say it again.
All right.
Okay. I have like a fan blowing above my head and. Okay, Rhonda is your attorney. All right. And who's your attorney? Just kidding. All right. Okay, so I think I got everybody. So we had some people come in. Either of you a defendant? Okay, what's your last name?
Survival.
Okay. Oh, hold on, Mr. Sabino. 1 second. All right, so Mr. Dagenmark goes in. I don't have anybody for you yet. So, Mr. Sabino, so that your attorney is Tamaris Hennigan, correct?
Yes.
All right, Ms. Hennigan. Tamaris Hennigan. Tamaris Hennigan, she's probably stepped away. All right, Ms. Hennigan, I'll send you a request. That's funny. You might, if it doesn't work, you'll have to log off and log back in. Ms. Hennigan, just log off. I'm going to disconnect you and log back in. Okay. All right, so what's the date?
March 20th.
All right, so we're setting that pretrial for March 20. You can come in person or via Zoom, all right? All right, thank you. All right. Oh, all right, hold on, Mr. Sabino. All right, I have a gentleman sitting at a desk at a wall. What is your name, please?
Loney.
What's your name?
Rodney Loney.
Okay.
Rodney Loney.
Got it, got it. I picked it up. All right, there you go. And your attorney is Miss Underwood.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, Mr. Dagenmark, can you text Miss Underwood that her people are popping in? All right, so I changed your name, Mr. Loney, just so I have that information. So just hang tight and we'll be with you in a moment. Miss Hennigan, I swear I did not, oh, there she goes again.
I'm here.
There she goes. Okay, so this is in the matter of the people of the state of Michigan versus David Lee Sabino. File number 2023-21656FH. I have Isaac Sneed appearing on behalf of the people, and I have Tamaris Hennigan appearing on behalf of Mr. Sabino. And Miss Hennigan, this is the date and time set for the first pretrial in this matter. So how would you like to proceed today?
Your Honor, I believe this is Mr. Sneed. Are you standing in for someone today on this case, or is this one yours?
It's assigned to Mr. McCready.
Okay, that's what I thought. So I'm waiting.
Hold on a
I
second.
believe this is.
Hold on, something happened to my speakers too, so hold on.
It's
It's assigned to Mr. McCready.
Okay, that's what
Hold
I
on.
thought. So
I don't know what's going on. Hold on.
Just a second, guys. We're having technical issues, please.
Got it. Okay, I'm sorry. For some reason, my speaker started working. All right. So Ms. Hennigan, again,
Okay, sorry, Your Honor. So, I would like to set this for a second pretrial so I can go over and meet with my client. I do have a plea offer that I'm certain is going to be fine with him, but I need to go over it. But also I'm waiting on one additional detail from Mr. McCready on that, and I want to be able to share all of that with my client when I go to meet with him.
okay,
So
how far out would you like the pretrial?
just like 2 weeks.
Well, I probably don't have one in 2 weeks. Let me look. I have February 28th. Obviously, though, if your client decides to avail himself of the plea bargain, you need to call Becky and I'll bring you in on any day other than a Wednesday.
Okay, great.
All right, so Mr. Sabino, I'm gonna set this over for pretrial on February 28th. And that would be at 8:30. If you decide that the plea bargain that's been offered is something you want to take, Ms. Hennigan will schedule you right away and we'll get you in and pled and set for sentencing, all right?
Okay.
And Ms. Hennigan, you can do the stip in order to adjourn. Mr. Sneed can sign your name with permission.
Yes, please.
All right, so, all right. All right,
Mr.
you're all
Sabino,
set?
have your dad call me today, okay?
I will. Yes, I will.
Thank you.
Okay, so Mr. Sabino, can you let them know that I would like to see Gary Shoemate next?
Shoemate?
Shoemate.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, thank you. All right, Mr. Dagmar-Gosian, I have Ethan. All right, and Ethan's last name is Terrell, I believe. All right. Well, I have an Ethan. I'm assuming it's Ethan Terrell. All right, Ethan, is your last name Terrell?
Yes, Your Honor.
Good morning. This is in the matter of the people of the state of Michigan versus Ethan James Terrell, file number 2023-21659FH. I have Isaac Sneed appearing on behalf of the people, and I have Michael Dagmar-Gosian appearing on behalf of Mr. Terrell. So, Mr. Dagmar-Gosian, how would you like to proceed today?
Your Honor, in this matter, Mr. McCready and I had came up with a resolution on this case. Mr. Terrell would be pleading guilty to 2 counts of felonious assault, both of them being under HIDA. I would imagine that there may have to be an amended